Hi everybody, it's Malia from Max and Fun, and
Abby.
we are going to do a mini brands opening. Abby has brought the mini brands Disney Store Edition. That's this one, and Abby has which one do you have?
The toy mini brands.
Okay, so which one are you gonna do first?
The Disney Store.
Okay, so you're gonna have to bear with her because they can be a little bit of a hassle to open up. So
Yeah, so just whoops. A hassle.
do you see it? No. Okay, it rolled away.
Well, bye-bye.
So in the meantime, I need to fix something on here anyway. Okay, well, looks like she can't find it.
Oh, I found it. Okay.
Okay. Alright. I'm trying to turn off the notifications on here. Okay. Alright, we're all set up here. Sorry about that. Okay, so Abby is going to struggle to open this mini brand ball. You want me to help you?
No.
Okay. Doesn't need my help. Anyway, so if you know what mini brands are, they're like miniature versions of things that you see in real life, and they all have a different theme. So you can get mini brand fashion, mini brand Disney, mini brand toys, and little mini foods. So they have all different kinds of little real life things that you can get. And then when you get it open, like she was trying to open up, it's kind of like in the form of like almost like what an orange looks like when you take the filling off, like it all breaks away. So we'll see what's inside her first ball when she gets done unwrapping it.
Almost done.
And she's almost there. That one half out. And she is almost there. Oh, okay, here we go. So here she goes.
See.
Yeah, so it looks kind of like a classic orange.
Alrighty. First one. We got a miniature Tinkerbell. That's cute.
That's way cute.
Where's the opening? Oh, it's right there.
So you get 5, obviously.
That's why they're called 5 Surprise.
That's right.
We got Forky from Toy Story 4. I'm going to say the names of all the movies that these characters are from. This one, it's a Baby Yoda drink, like a little cup. Okay, there we go. Another one from Toy Story. We got Buzz Lightyear. It might be a little hard to see on the camera, but that's okay.
Yeah, they're pretty small.
Ooh. This one got opened. R2-D2. Whoop. And the checklist. I'm gonna unfold the check. Oopsies. Well, I just ripped it.
That's okay.
It's like...
Yeah, so you can get several different ones.
We're gonna take this just so you know.
All right, so now we'll move on to the second mini brands ball.
The toys.
Let's see if this one's any easier to open up. What do you think, Abby? Yes or no?
Yes.
All right.
Alright. We almost got it.
The Disney one was a little bit more expensive in the store. I think it was around, what, $8?
Yeah.
And then the toy one is around, what, like 6?
5.
5, so $5 for the toys. And the only bad part about these is you never know what you're going to get, so hopefully you don't get a lot
That's the good part, in my opinion.
But anyway, I don't think you've had any Disney ones. Have you had any toy ones yet, or is this your first set?
I think this is my first toy one.
She has some mini foods already, but...
And some mini brands.
Yeah, so
Why is it all sealed in plastic?
They want to make it harder for you.
Well, I don't like them.
Oh, that's still not as bad as the first one was. So that ball is pink and
White.
white. I don't know why it's two different colors.
Kind of reminds me of the Pokemon ball.
Kind of.
Alrighty. First one, we have to build it.
Yeah,
Yay.
you do? Wow. Does it come with labels and everything?
I guess.
Wow, that's
I'm not gonna put
complicated. So let's just tell them what it is, and then we'll put it together later.
It's this little like shelf thing. I don't know.
So will that be part of something else in the box or not?
Probably not, but
Okay. It's a little shelf on wheels, huh?
we got SpongeBob in the karate outfit. Karate. Yeah, that's what he calls it.
Oh, okay.
This is a water jump rope.
If only it was really like that on the inside. That'd be really tiny.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one's hard. Okay.
I see that.
Create in color colored pencils from Crayola. And last one.
And the fun thing about mini brands too is if you collect doll houses or Barbie or anything like that, you can kind of use these as little accessories for them too, which I think is absolutely adorable.
This is Rainbow Corn's little egg. Yeah, like I said, it's pretty hard to see. But yeah, that's it.
All right, that is her unboxing of her mini brands. And like I said, they're kind of fun if you like to do miniature work, or if you just like to have little things to decorate your doll houses and things like that. So, or if you just like little minis.
Yeah.
Me and Abby both like the little mini collectibles. So is that really hard to put together? She's working on the little shelf.
No, it's not that hard.
No, not really. Okay. Do you want to wait and show everybody?
You don't have to.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. All right. Well, we're going to tell everybody goodbye, and thank you for watching our little unveiling of our mini brands little
Stuff.
5-piece ball set. Yeah. We'll talk to you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.